Hey guys, let me show you step by step how to make smooth pap without any lumps. I am Oniye. Welcome to my channel. So in your kettle or electric jug, bring some clean water to a boil. The water you're boiling should be enough to make the pap. While you're waiting for the water to boil, it's time to dissolve the raw pap in a plate. Add the raw pap in a plate, add some clean water to the plate and mix thoroughly until it's properly combined. The quantity of water you add to the raw pap depends on the consistency you want to achieve when you make the pap with the hot water. If you want a thick pap, add a little water to the raw pap. If you want a runny consistency, which is mostly for babies, add the quantity of water to make the raw pap runny before introducing the hot water. In this video, you see how thick mine is. That's because I want a thick consistency, so I just added a little water to the raw pap. Once your hot water starts boiling, slowly and steadily introduce the hot water into the raw pap. As you're doing that, make sure you're gently stirring the pap with your spoon like I'm doing in this video. Once you notice the pap is about to thicken, remove the spoon and keep adding the hot water slowly and steadily till the pap thickens properly. Once the pap thickens properly, now with your spoon, give it a good mix and your pap is ready. You can add some sugar, honey, milk, or any other sweetener of your choice, or you can drink it like that if that's what you prefer. So that's all for this video, guys. Let me know if it worked out for you in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.